Hello, this is my first YouTube video ever, and I want to show you a program I coded in the last years. It's a bare metal assembly, a game. I call it Galaxius, and it's an arcade shooter, and I try to reach industrial grade arcade on a very old hardware. This is a 8386SX CPU running at 33 megahertz, 8-bit cards, an 8-bit VGA card, an 8-bit sound card. It's a MediaVision's Thunderboard. It's a Sound Blaster clone, fully compatible, driverless, and an MDA card for additional debugging, which you can see on this monitor. Now I want to show you how I built the disk. First I insert a raw disk, and then I write the boot sector and the binary to the disk. I wrote a program for this. I called the G-slicer, and the G-slicer slices Galaxius to the floppy, and that was it. The executable has about 57 kilobytes, including the samples and the sprites. I just will fire it up by booting. And here we are. I think it is pretty fast. I've never seen anything this fast in such a resolution. It's 544 by 480 pixels. I use the VGA planar modes, not mode X, and 2 video pages. And the game runs in steady 67 frames per second at 67 Hertz on this old hardware. Okay, this is a debug monitor. It shows some of the inner workings, some technical and some from the game engine, like the attack counter, missile positions of the ship X position, Y position, and such stuff, the frame number. And yes, let me show you the gameplay. You insert coins. I used the MAME keys, the same keys as the MAME emulator used, because I think the retro scene is used to this. And this is the game. It runs very smooth, no stutter, no crackle in the sound. It just works like a charm. You can insert your high score. The high score is, if you want, that you can compile it with a feature to set the high score in the battery buffered CMOS. But this is only a feature I use for the cabinet that I built, that I may show you in another video. Okay, if you leave the game, you're back in the booter. You don't return to the BIOS, but you're still in the booter. And here you can adjust the Sound Blaster settings. Let's say I keep it. I just can show you how it cycles through 5, 7, 10, 11. And after you adjusted the settings, you have to write the image back to disk with the new settings. And This writing back can also be used to clone the game, the booter, to another disk. Because the disk has no file system, there's no FAT or something on it, it's just the raw sectors. And I hope the write works, because I'm using very old disks. They are 35 years or older. And just try. Oh no. One bad track, but I just try second time. Sometimes it works when you try a second time. Yes. The first dots are raw format, and the first dots you see the first half on the left side, and the faster dots on the right side are actually the game image written to the disk. I will try one more time. Although I was successful, I will just do it another time. Yes, works well. And now I reboot. Now I reboot the cloned disk from the cloned disk. And it works. Sound is working. The debug monitor. That's it. That's Galaxeus. Oh, and from here, from the booter, you can boot your hard drive if you want. And we are back to DOS. That's it. Thanks for watching.